Hey guys, we're going to be upgrading the compressor on the Bone Tactical Expedition Land Cruiser. Lots of write-ups on this build are already up on the website. We're just making some small changes and doing some final touches on it right now. We're going to be upgrading to the ViAir compressor, and I'll show you guys all that it entails here. Okay, you guys have been with me with the ViAir compressor install from the beginning. So I'm gonna show you now it's finalized, and I'm gonna give you a really quick demonstration of using it in the field. So here, I keep everything in here, along with some other gear. Definitely completely changeable of what I carry. But as far as for the compressor, I've got a bag here where I've got a tire pump, an air line, okay? Various other things. I can run different things off the compressor, but I've also got some tire deflators. So I'll go ahead and show you guys basically what's going on here. So if I wanted to deflate a tire, I'm off-road, I want to deflate a tire. Basically, what I'll do, those of you guys who don't know, the reason you deflate your tires off-road, because the signature on a 35-inch tire at 35 pounds of pressure is like this big, this much contact, okay? And when you deflate it down to single-digit pressure, it more than doubles. The contact area is about that big, so you're able to use all of your tread. Anytime you're off-road, you want to go ahead and use your tread. And there's a bunch of companies that make deflators. This is a tire deflator here, okay? Basically what you do is, you screw this guy on here. And it's an auto deflator up to a preset level of auto deflation, okay? So you set this ahead of time, where you want to deflate, what number, what pressure you want to deflate to. And then you just screw this on when you go off-road. Okay? Good things to keep on any kind of a serious off-road vehicle. But you can also just deflate it by hand. Obviously, the old-fashioned way, stick something in there and deflate it. Your key, whatever you want to stick in there. But then when I want to re-inflate my tires, when I'm back on road, about to go back on road, I've got here my ViAir compressor. You guys saw the ViAir compressor's up in the front, it tucked into the sidewall, okay? The tank is here. I've got all my cables running. Got my quick connect here. As you guys hear, it automatically kicked on, automatically kicks on. All right, here we go. ViAir. All right, I want to hook this up here. That's hooked up. I'm showing 35, and I can inflate the tires right here. I'm running Super Swamper radial TSLs. They last a little longer than the competition stickies do, or the regular TSLs, but they still have an aggressive tread pattern, okay? My gauge is right here. On and off, off, on. All right, it'll automatically kick off at 200 pounds. Fully automated system. I've got the breather here inside. I've got to still cut this a little shorter. I just finished running it today, but I've got the breather inside the cab, and the compressor is inside the sidewall right here. Compressor's actually in here, okay, in the sidewall. The breather is in the cab, so it's a completely waterproof system. Basically allowing me to run. This ViAir system will charge up to 37-inch tires. I've got 35s. It'll fill a tire up to a 37-inch tire, so I'm good to go. This ViAir system I really like, and I would recommend if you guys want to check them out. And definitely give it a shout out to the sponsors on this build: Method Race Wheels, Interco Tires, ViAir compressors. I'm sticking with all of these guys and not looking really to change out. I'm very happy with the compressor. I had a Smitty built compressor before this one, and it was absolute crap in comparison, guys. When you're ready to step your game up, check out ViAir. Bone out.